Hello, everyone. Guys, where are the rest of the students? Hello, people. Please confirm if I'm audible. Hello. Guys, please confirm if I'm audible. Guys, put on your cameras. We don't have much time, okay? So, put on the cameras, everyone. Guys, चलो जल्दी से put on your cameras. Sachi, Vivika, Ibrahim. Sachi, Vivika, Ibrahim. चलो आ जाओ आ जाओ let's start. People, let me know if if I lag, okay? Let me know if I lag. So my internet is unstable right now. I will turn on 5 minutes. Okay, Ibrahim, noted. Vivika and Sachi. Sure, let's start. Okay, people. So, as your board exams are approaching, laptop. Okay. Okay. So, people, as your board exam is approaching, I hope you guys are, shit will take. Okay, Sachi. Okay. So, people, as your board exam is approaching, I hope you guys are, taking time for preparation, right? You must be revising the chapters right now, right? Okay. So, there's one chapter, actually two, matrices and determinants. I will just take 2 minutes of your time to explain you the weightage of this chapter and like what type of questions are generally being asked. Okay. So basically, if you see the previous year questions and if you see the sample question paper for this board exams 2025, you'll get to know that from matrices and determinants together 10 to 12 marks question is being asked, right? Right, people? Yes. Okay. Now, what are the main topics from which these questions are asked? Okay. Main topics means it's not only कि वही topics से questions आएंगे, but these are the main जहां से generally questions are being asked. important topics, you can say, okay, the important ones. See, of course, if you are aiming for 100 out of 100, you need to study everything in the syllabus. Because in that case, you can't rely on your luck, right? You can't rely on your luck. But, yes. But, still being a teacher, it's my duty to explain you, to let you know the most important topics. The most important topics means the topics from where the questions are generally asked. Okay. Which are expected to come. Fine. So without wasting any much time, since we are only having 1 hour with us, now only 45 minutes, let's start. So allow me to take some time and, put on your cameras meanwhile. I'll just inform the other students of, other centers that whether they are joining or not. I'll just take the confirmation. Meanwhile, put on your cameras, everyone. यार अगर मैं ऐसे पढ़ाऊंगा तो फिर लगेगा कि मैं खुद से ही बात कर रहा हूं. किसी कारण से कैमरा ऑन नहीं कर सकते, उसका माइक ऑन कर लो ताकि इट विल बी इंटरेक्टिव. आई डोंट वांट टू टेक इट वन वे. वैसे मुझे पढ़ाने में मजा नहीं आएगा, तुम्हें पढ़ने में मजा नहीं आएगा. चलो आ जाओ. आ जाओ. See, one of the most important topic is basically, like, if you go through the previous year questions, okay, so before, not in 2024, but in 2023 and before, you will see the questions where equality of matrices, such concepts have been used directly. Okay, so basically it's a 2 marks question. Now let's suppose ki you won't get question directly from the equality of matrices, but you can expect some questions where equality of matrices ka concept will be used. Okay, so let's see ki how the matrices are equal and when the matrices are equal. People, two matrices A and B are said to be equal. The first thing, if they are of same order, दोनों का ऑर्डर पहली बात की सेम होना चाहिए, right? The order of matrices should be same, right? Is equal to the corresponding element of B, right? A के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो B के corresponding एलिमेंट्स के इक्वल होने चाहिए. Is that clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if you see in this question, तो यहां पर the first thing, let's see the order. इसका ऑर्डर कितना बेटा? This is 2 by 2. इसका भी ऑर्डर is 2 by 2, right? Now the order of the matrices are equal, right? Right, people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next thing, the corresponding elements should be equal. This means this is A11. The position of this element is A11. This is B11. This means A11 should be equal to B11, right? So A minus B should be equal to -1. Similarly, 2A minus B should be equal to 0. Or you can say B is equal to 2A. Substitute this value here. you'll get A minus 2A is equal to minus 1, or minus A is equal to minus 1, A is equal to 1. Is this clear, beta? Now, when you substitute this value of A in any of the equation, you'll get 1 minus B is equal to minus 1, B is equal to 2, sorry, A is equal to 2. Now, apart from this, let's check the third. Sorry, this is A13. Sorry, A12. This is B12. Correct? So 2A plus C should be equal to 5. This means 2 plus C should. So C is equal to 3. Now 3C plus D should be equal to 13. This means 9 plus D should be equal to 13. Or you can say D is equal to. Is this clear, people? Is this clear, beta? Is this clear, Ibrahim and Sachi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the next, very what we say, the next important topic, or you can say the next important, pointer from where the question is being asked is multiplication of matrices. इससे can expect a direct सवाल, or problem where these concepts are being used. तो आ जाओ, let's see. Two matrices. When so sorry for the internet. Okay. So basically, if there are two matrices of order m by n and p by q, so when the product of AB is defined, product of AB to be defined means when can we find the value of AB? When A and B can be multiplied. Okay. So for that, if we are finding AB, see, first thing in matrices, AB is not equal to BA. Right? Like in simple algebra, we can write 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3. This is 6, this is 6. But in the case of matrices, if there is matrix A and matrix B, then AB is not necessarily equal to BA. Okay. So let's suppose we have to define AB. Means when is AB defined? So this is row, this is column. The column of the first matrix should be equal to the row of the second matrix. Column this is not column, this is number of column. So when the column of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix, then we can define AB. Then we can define AB. Now, what is the order of the resultant matrix? Means what will be the order of AB? So it will be number of rows by number of columns So basically, order of the resultant matrix is equal to number of rows in the first matrix by number of columns in the second matrix. Is that clear, people? Is that clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's take a question. Take 2 minutes of time and let me know what's the correct order of the matrix obtained by multiplication of this matrix with algebra of this matrix. Correct, Ibrahim? Correct. See, the order of this matrix is 3 by 2 multiplied with. Now this matrix minus this matrix will be of order 2 by 3 only, right? So the resultant matrix will be of order iska number of rows by iska number of columns. This will be 3 by 3. So the correct option is 3 by 3. Is that clear, people? Chalo. Chalo, aaj. Let's solve this question. X minus 5 minus 1. One zero two zero two one two zero three. X 4 1. Chalo. See, this is of order 1 by 3. This is of order 3 by 3. This is of order 3 by 1. Achha, you know how to multiply the matrices, right? So the first element, let's multiply this and this. So it will be of order 1 by 3, right? Right, people? The resultant matrix will be of order 1 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for finding the first element, we multiply the first row with the first column, first row of this matrix with first column of this matrix. So this is x minus 2, right? Then first row, second column. So this is minus 10. This is 2x minus 5 minus 8 is 2x minus 8 multiplied with x 4 1. Now again, when you solve this, you'll get x minus 2 into x minus 10 into 4 plus 2x minus 8 into 1. This is x square minus 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 8. This is gone. This is x square minus 48 is equal to 0. Or we can say x plus root under 48 into x minus root under 48 is equal to 0. This means x is equal to plus minus root under 48. So we can write this as 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, 4 root 2, 16, 4 root 3, sorry, plus minus 4 root 3. Let's check. So option C. I hope this is clear, people. Is this clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one thing to remember, let's suppose there are two matrices A and B. So A plus B whole square is not equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is equal to A square plus AB plus BA. Okay, remember this because there are some times when people get stuck in this type of questions. Though they are very easy, but in the exam hall, people get stuck in this type of questions. Okay. So don't do this mistake in your paper. That's why I explained this. Okay. Okay, people. Now, one more important thing. System of linear equations. Basically, what happened? इधर देखते हैं. Let's suppose there are linear equations are given in 3 variable. Okay. First, second, third. Okay. Now, but that will become very lengthy. Now, matrices gives us an advantage to solve this type of questions in a very smooth way. So how do we do it? So basically, what we do, we write this system of linear equation as product of matrices. So upon writing, I get this, right? I hope you guys have already studied this, right? I'm only making you revise, right, people?
Yes, sir.
Or if by chance you are not aware of these things, let me know, I'll explain it. Okay. Sure. So when we do this, I take this matrix as A, I take this matrix as X, and this as B. So I can write AX is equal to B. Now there are different cases. The case one is if A is non-singular. So if A is non-singular, then its inverse can be existing, right? Then its inverse can exist, right? Right? Non-singular means determinant of A is not equal to 0. And we know that A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A inverse can exist. If this gets 0, then this will be not defined. So A inverse will not exist. Right, people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then in that you'll get unique solution for X, Y, and Z. Unique solution. Okay. Let's take the second case. If determinant of A is equal to 0, in that case, we find adjoint of A into B. Okay. If adjoint of A into B is not equal to 0, if adjoint of A and into B is not equal to 0, then solution does not exist. And the system of equation will be called as inconsistent. Consistent means solution exists. Inconsistent means solution does not exist. There's one more, dependent. Dependent means solution will exist, means it is consistent, but infinite solution. Infinite number of solutions. Is that clear, people? Is that clear? Is that clear, people? See, you can expect a confirmed 3 or 5 marks question either from this word problem or directly from system of equations. Also, let's see. Let's solve only one, and other you can solve at home. Let's see how to solve this type of problems. Okay. Generally, students get stuck in the word problem, so I'll explain one word problem. Okay. And then you can practice more at home. There we go. The question says the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, and 6 kg rice is rupees 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, and 3 kg rice is 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Now, this question is also given in sample question paper of 2025. This means this question with different data is highly expected to be asked in CBSE 2025. Okay. So in this type of question, what we do, we let the cost of 1 kg onion is equal to rupees X. Cost of 1 kg wheat is equal to rupees Y. Cost of 1 kg rice is equal to rupees Z. So according to the question, we have 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. Then 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. Right, people? Now let's write this in the form of matrices. So we can write this as 4, 3, 2. Then this we can write as X, Y, Z. So generally what problem occurs ki people do a lot of calculation error in this type of questions. Since this is a lengthy question but easy, but people, most of the time they do calculation error. So, avoid yourself from doing those calculation error, because these are very, this question is, this type of question are really expected to come in 5 marks question. So it's an easy 5 marks to grab in. Okay. So do not do calculation error, because, hence, like easy question will be, gone from our hand. Ajo, let's see. Now this is matrix A, this is matrix X, this is matrix B. First, let's find the determinant of A. So this is 12 minus 12. This is 0 minus 3 minus 3. 6 minus 36 is 6 minus 36 is minus 30 plus 90 plus 2. 2 to the 4. 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6. 6 to 3. Okay. 12 minus 12, 0. 2 to the 6. This is 90. 4 minus 4, 6 are 24. 24 minus 20. So this is minus 40, which is equal to which is equal to 50. Now determinant of A is equal to 50, which is not equal to 0, right? This means a unique solution will be existing for X, Y, and Z, right? Right, people? Ajo, now let's see. A is not equal to 0. Multiply both sides with A inverse. Is that clear, people? Now let's find A inverse. For finding A inverse, first we need to find adjoint of A. So let's find adjoint of A. 4 is a 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay. 6 minus 36 is minus 6 minus 36. 6 minus 30. Minus 30. 4 minus 24 is minus 20. 2 to the 4. Okay. This is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. This will be 12 minus 12 is 0. This will be 8 minus 18 is minus 10. 18 minus 4 to the 8 is 10. This is 20. 16 minus 6 is 10. इसका transpose will be 0, 5, 10, minus 30, minus 20. 0, minus 10, 20, 10. Is that clear, people? Is that clear, people? People, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, let's move ahead. So x is equal to A inverse B. Acha, A inverse, for A inverse we'll find adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, right? Right, people? This means 1 by
Yes, sir.
50 multiplied with this matrix. यहाँ तो कोई डाउट? Any doubt so far, people? This is equal to 0, 1 by 10, 1 by 5, minus 3 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, and 1 by 5. Is that clear, people? यहाँ तो कोई डाउट किसी को?
No, sir.
So x is equal to A inverse into B, right? This means A inverse कितना है? 0, 1 by 10, 1 by 5, minus 3 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Into matrix B. Matrix B कितना लिखा हुआ था? 60, 90, 70. अच्छा, this is x, y, z. आ जाओ, सॉल्व करने पे कितना आ रहा है बेटा? This is 3 by 3. This is 3 by 1. So the resultant matrix will be of order 3 by 1. Correct? So this is 9 plus 14. 9 plus 14 is 23. This is 12 minus 18. This is 10. This is minus 24. Minus 24 minus 18. This is negative. No, it can't be negative. कहीं गलती कर दी हम लोग. आ जाओ. कहाँ गलती की है? 4x plus 3y. How can the cost be negative? देखो गलती यहाँ हुआ है बेटा. Adjoint of A plus, okay, this is 8, 2, 1, 3 minus plus minus 8, 3, 1 plus minus plus. यहाँ गलती हो गया. देखे, इसलिए बोल रहा था गलती होती है इसमें. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. This is minus 5, this will be 10. ठीक है. This will be plus 30. This will be 0. This is 20. This is minus 20. This is minus 20. अब सही है. Minus 5 plus 30, 0, minus 20, 10 plus 10 minus 20. ठीक है. माइनस प्लस, ठीक है, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये 0, ये माइनस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा। ये कितना हो गया बेटा? दिस इज माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, ठीक है। अब लेट्स कैलकुलेट, अब सही आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज -9 and this is 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. This is 12. 12 into 3 is 36. 36 minus 28 is 8. Okay, this is 12 minus 24. 24 plus 18 minus 6. Minus 6, and this is 14. This is also 8. So x, y, z is equal to 588. This means this is rupees 5, this is rupees 8, and this is also rupees 8. Let's verify once. Let's verify. 20 plus 40, 60. Correct. This answer is correct. Is this clear, people? You understood how to solve system of linear equations? Is this
Yes,
clear,
sir.
Ibrahim, Sachi, Arna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sachi?
Yes, sir.
Sachi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. So, you're currently in Dammam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Preparing for the exams?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about Akhilesh?
He's good, sir. He's going for classes also.
Okay, great. Arna, which center you are from?
Sir, I'm currently in Salalah,
Currently in Salalah. Where is it?
Muscat, Oman.
Oman. Okay, great. So, which school you are currently studying in?
Indian school, Salalah,
Indian school. Okay. And which part of India you come from?
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra specifically?
Pune.
Pune, Oxford of the East. Great.
Sorry?
Pune is called as Oxford of the East.
Yes.
Okay, great. So, what are your plans after 12th?
Going back to Pune for higher education.
Great. Good. Ibrahim, what about you, my child?
Sir, I am from Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Specifically?
Trichy.
Trichy. Great, man. And what are your plans after 12th?
Sir, I'll be here in Riyadh till summer vacation. Then I'll go back to India.
Okay. Acha, you are specifically from Riyadh, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're studying in offline center?
No, sir.
No, you're an online student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope this is clear, people, right? This question is clear, right? So I hope whenever you get a question related to system of linear equations, you will be able to solve it, right? Chalo, aa jao. Okay. Now, one more very important topic is properties of adjoint and inverse. See, you can expect one MCQ from this. One or two. You can definitely expect this. Apart from this, you can also expect a question where the properties of the adjoint of matrix will be asked. So, there are some of the important ones, basically like this one, then this. So we can evaluate if we are not, if we don't remember, but still. Now this property, this. So these all things need to be memorized. Okay. So there are some questions related to properties. You can easily solve them. Like for example, the question says determinant of adjoint of A. So let's suppose I don't know the property. I don't remember the property. But one property I remember is कि determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. So let's suppose this is matrix B. So adjoint of B will be equal to determinant of B to the power n minus 1. Now what is determinant of B? Determinant of B is equal to adjoint of A ka determinant, right? Now again, this will be so determinant. So basically for this question, if this is determinant of A, then determinant of adjoint of A will be determinant of A ka power n minus 1 ka whole square, which means determinant of A to the power n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 ka square is 4, determinant of A to the power 4. Evaluate the determinant, I think you will get 11. So 11 to the power 4 will be 121, 1441. I think 14, 16, 641. This will be the answer. Okay. Then comes this objective. If A and B are invertible matrices, then which of the following is not correct? So yeah, this is correct. मिल गया, क्योंकि ये तो सही होगा. Adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into A inverse. Correct. Since A inverse is equal to, since A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A, so adjoint of A can be written as A inverse into determinant of A. So this is correct. Determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant of A का power minus 1. Correct. सिर्फ ऑप्शन बी में दिक्कत है. चलो. If A is a 3x3 matrix and determinant of A is equal to minus 2. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Let's suppose this is this question. Let's suppose this is matrix A, this is matrix B. So AX B is equal to C. This is matrix C. So I can write this as A inverse A X B into B inverse. This is equal to A inverse C B inverse. So basically X is equal to A inverse C B inverse. If this is A, find A inverse, find C inverse, and then you'll be able to find X. Is this clear, people? Is this clear, people? People, is this clear?
Yes.
Ibrahim Satyarna. Chalo, aa jao. Now, again, one more question you can expect from this. See, now this can vary. It can also be asked in 1 mark question, or in 2 marks question, or in 3, or in 5. It depends. So first, let's understand what is symmetric, what is skew-symmetric matrix. See, let's suppose A is any matrix, square matrix. So if transpose of A is equal to A, then such matrix be called as symmetric matrix. And if transpose of A is equal to minus A, such we call as skew symmetric matrix. Okay, people? Now, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. So any matrix A can be written as sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric. कैसे? तो देखो, we can write this as half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. Now this is always symmetric. since this is symmetric, so therefore this will be symmetric, right? And since this is skew symmetric, so therefore this will be. So any matrix can be written as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Is that clear, people? Let's see. So the first question is, for what value of x the matrix this is a skew symmetric matrix? So इसका ट्रांसपोज निकाल के चेक करना. This should be equal to A transpose should be equal to minus A, right? So if this is A, तो minus A कितना आ जाएगा? 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 3, minus x, 3, 0. और यहां पर A ट्रांसपोज निकाल लो. So 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, x, 0, 3, minus 3, 0. This means x is equal to 2. So therefore option A. Now this question. This is a matrix. We have to write it as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So पहले we'll find B transpose. It will be 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 3. Now I can write B matrix as half of B plus B transpose plus half of B minus B transpose. This is the symmetric part. This is the skew symmetric part. So B plus B transpose, this is equal to half of B plus B transpose. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is again minus 3. This will also be minus 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. And minus 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Plus half of B minus B transpose. So this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. This will be 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. This will be 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. This will be minus 6. बहुत प्यार से इसको लिख दो तो we can write this as 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 3, 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 1 and this is minus 3. Plus, this can be written as 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 5 by 2. It is done. Is this clear, people? Ibrahim, Sachi, Arna, is this clear, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the last question for today's session is if A, B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB minus BA is AB minus BA. See, A and B are symmetric, right? These are symmetric, right? This means A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. So we have to find what type of matrix is AB minus BA. So let's find the transpose of AB minus BA. This is right, people. So we can write this as B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose. Now B transpose is equal to B, A transpose is equal to A minus AB, which is equal to minus AB minus BA. This means AB minus BA का transpose is equal to minus AB minus BA. Hence, we can say that AB minus BA is a skew symmetry. Is this clear, people? Is this clear, people? Ibrahim, Sachi, Arna, beta, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब देखो, ये तो हो गए most important वाले. These are the most important ones. But apart from this, तुम बाकी की चीजों को भी छोड़ के जा सकते हो. Do not skip the rest of the things. At least do NCERT for all, for all the other topics. Solve Oswal previous year questions, or you can go through RD Sharma, or you can go through all-in-one for maths. Okay, but keep solving the problems. Okay, and if you have any doubts, so just contact with your respective teachers, or like you can contact me anytime. Anyone from us, we are always there to help you guys. Okay, chalo. Okay, people, I hope this session was helpful for you guys, and all the best for your session, for your exams. Basically, I hope every one of you score 100 out of 100 in maths at least, and all the best for your other subjects also. Keep studying, keep struggling. You will come up with some some good news in May, in May, June. Okay,
Thank
chalo.
you, sir.
Thank you, people. All the best, people. All the best.
Thank
Take
you,
care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.